So in terms of our boarded count and plurality here, right away, G has the most first place votes, so G is a winner with 19. Okay. When I go to my boarded count, we are doing H with 14 first place votes. It has 30 second place votes. It's the 17 and 13 column. It has 0 third place and 0 fourth place votes. But H is in the 10 and 19 columns in fifth place. So it's got 29 fifth place votes. Its final score is 219. F, 17 first place votes, 10 second place votes, 13 third place votes, 33 fourth place votes, and 0 fifth place votes. So if we're looking at that one, okay, the letter F is in first place in the first column, it's in second place in the fourth column, it's in third place in the middle column. In 14 and 19, those two columns add up to 33. It's got 33 fourth place votes. It does not appear in the fifth column, so 0 fifth place votes. So a final score of 208. S, 10 times 1, 0 second place votes, 19 third place votes, 0 fourth place votes, and 44 fifth place votes. My score is 287. B, 13 first place votes, 19 second place votes, 14 third place votes, 27 fourth place votes, and 0 fifth place votes. We have a score of 201. And finally, G, 19 first place votes, 14 second place votes, 27 third place votes, 13 fourth place votes, and 0 fifth place votes. We get a final score of 180. So our winner by board count is G with a score of 180. All right. And 17 and 14 is 31, 44, 54, 73 total votes. If I count down at second place, I should get 73 total votes. 30 and 10 is 40, 40 and 0 is 40, 40 and 19 is 59, 59 and 14 is 73. If I go across any of these, I should get 73 votes. 17 and 10 is 27, and 13 is 40, and 40 and 33 is 73. It should work out all the way across. With runoff method, G stays and F stays. G has 19, F has 17. And then HBS goes away. HBS, 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 HB, and S. So G keeps its 19 first place votes, F keeps its 17 first place votes. G gets the 14 first place votes in the second column. F gets the 13 first place votes in the third column, and F gets the 10 first place votes in the fourth column. So G's total is 33 and F's total is 40. So F is my winner by runoff. Runoff with elimination, same deal. Or I should say same. Actually, I'm not sure what happened there. Okay. Runoff with elimination here. So my F has 17 first place votes. My H has 14. my B is 13, my S is 10, and my G is 19. So S goes away first. Now we're going one at a time. Okay, those 10 votes go to F and we reassess. Plus 10, we're at 27 now. Now the fewest first place votes is B. So I eliminate B. Those 13 votes go to H. So now I'm at 27 with H. F and H both got 27. Big G gets eliminated. So when G goes away, G's votes would have went to B or S. They're eliminated though. So G's votes go to F. So it has 19, so it has a score of 46. Okay, so my runoff elimination is F with 46. With border count, we're going to take each individual vote and count them up. We're going to do border count before we do plurality. So with math, if you read down, it has 2 first place votes, 3 second place votes, 3 third place votes, 5 fourth place votes, and 2 fifth place votes. It gives me a score of 47. And if you add across 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, you get 15. That's what should happen every single time. For science, we have 5 first place votes, 1 second place vote, 4 third place votes, 2 fourth place votes, and 3 fifth place votes. And that total answer is 42. For English, we have 3 first place votes, 2 second place votes, 8 third place votes, 1 fourth, and 1 fifth. And that gives us a score of 40. For history, 4 first place votes, 4 second place votes, 0 third place, 3 fourth place, and 4 fifth place. Score of 44. And finally, French, 1 first place vote, 5 second place votes, 0 third place, 4 fourth place, and 5 fifth place, and we get a score of 52. And I should be able to add up and down. 2 and 5 is 7, 7 and 3 is 10, 10 and 4 is 14, 14 and 1 is 15. 3 and 4 is 7, 7 and 8 is 15, and the zeros is 15. Fourth place votes, 5 and 2 is 7, and 1 is 8, 8 and 3 is 11, 11 and 4 is 15. Going down should give me 15, and if I want to add English across, 3 and 2 is 5, 5 and 18 is 13, and 1 is 14, and 1 is 15. Going across, I should also get 15. So my board account winner here is English with a score of 40. The reason why I do that first is the plurality winner will appear in this as well. Science clearly has the most first place votes, so science wins the plurality. So based on my board account, I know that science has 5 first place votes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And history has 4 first place votes. And now I need to redistribute the rest. So that means I need to redistribute math, English, and French. I look where math was a first place vote. I look where English was a first place vote. And I'm looking where French was a first place vote. And on those votes, I'm taking the lower number between history and science. So for Mike, who voted English first, he voted history second and science fourth. So history would get his vote. For French, with Tim, he voted history second and science fourth. History would get his vote. For Tony, who voted math first, he voted science third and history fifth. Science gets his vote. For Harry, who voted English first, he voted science third, history second. History gets his vote. Down here for Ed, he voted English first, so it was science third, history fifth. So science gets the vote. And then finally for Bob, who wrote at math, his science score was 3, his history score was 4, so science gets that vote. So by runoff with elimination, science with a score of 8 wins. We're going to once again use our board account to rank the voting. So science has 5 first place votes. History has 4. English has 3. Math has 2. And French has 1. So obviously French goes away first. Where did French have a first place vote? Right here. Who gets that vote? It would be history. History was the next thing it ranked. So history is now at 5. So now math goes away. Math is 1 here, and math is 1 here. Tony's second vote goes to French. French is gone. So Tony's third vote goes to science. So science gets it. Bob's second vote goes to English. So English gets it. So keep that in mind with Bob. Bob's vote went to English. What's the problem? English is now my my last first place vote getter. So now I'm going to redistribute Bob's English vote to science. His next rank is science. And now I need to give away the 3 first place English votes. Mike's first place English vote, the next history was next. So history gets it. The next first place English vote was here. History is ranked second, so history gets it. And then finally, English was ranked 1 here. They ranked French 2, but French is gone. So science was 3. Science is left over, so science gets it. So therefore, by runoff with elimination, science gets it with a score of 8.